Is it good? Do you want another one? Here. Do you want another one? Stop it. It's a big berry, Clover. Chew it. Drop the piece. Do you want it? Want the piece? Here you go. Is it a good berry? Are you happy? Is it yummy?